Hi, my name is Chris Shelton, and I read faces. Today I'm going to talk about Simon Cowell and what his face says about his personality. First of all, let's take a look at his eyes. Now, you see how he has small eyes. Those small eyes means that he's self-critical, meaning that he's hard on himself. He tends to get stuck in his head a lot, but also he's very critical of others. But the shape and the angle of the eyes also tells us that he loves animals, or he has a kind heart deep inside. So even though we see him on the show showing that, he could be very rough, he actually deep inside has a kind heart. Another feature that we can look at is looking at his ears. If you see how his ears reside close to the side of his head, that means that he listens very well. Now, another attribute as well, too, is that Simon makes a decision by trusting his gut. And we can tell that by looking at the size of his chin. So you see how big his chin is from the base of his nose all the way down. Now, he is a practical person, and we can tell this from the distance from the eyebrows all the way down to the end of the nose. But two, he does have a manipulative mind, and we can tell this by looking at his forehead and how his forehead slants backwards. Who do you think we should read next? Comment below.